Hi, it's Victoria Dane, the founder of Nuvie Send Hub, again in the building. So this video is a highly requested video. Some people will say, "Hey Vicky, I want to buy the refill. Want to buy the refill? Okay, refill means you're going to buy nozzle bottles or canisters, then you fill into the bottle yourself." So they say they want to buy the refill, but they don't know how to refill. They don't know how to go about it. I'll be packing a customer's order, and I'll also use this customer's order to teach you how to fill these bottles in your packaging bottles. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to. It's basically the same thing. Okay, in all the bottles, I'll be teaching you how to refill in 3 ml bottles, 6 ml bottles, 30 ml bottles. Okay, these are the bottles the customer is asking for to buy. Okay, so I'll be refilling. It's very simple. Okay, but before we dive into it, okay, if you want to start this refill, start buying in refill, then refill yourself, then you will need to get a scale, because some of these bottles are way bigger. Okay, you hear 3 ml, 3 ml words. When you scale it, okay, it's more than the bottle itself is more than 3 ml. This bottle is 30 ml bottle, right? This is 30 ml. But when you scale it and put your perfume, if you fill the perfume to the brim, it's more than 30 ml. So that's the reason why you should make use of a scale. Okay, I already know the point where it gets to, and it will be 30 ml. Okay, so I'll be doing that with you shortly. So let's start with the 30 ml bottle. Make sure you cork it properly so it doesn't spill. So it's as simple as, so once you're done with this, you peel out your sticker. I don't know if it's focusing. So this is how you feel it. So this is 30 ml, just basically the same thing. You know, 30 ml has the 30 ml has spray, okay? The cover is spray, but the 3 ml, the cover is roll on. So you fix it. You press it in, use your bottle, you cover it. Make sure it's very tight so it doesn't spill. Then after that, place your stickers. So let's go with what ml is this? If you're following, this is what? 6 ml. The 6 ml, the cover, the top is also roll on. Can you see? Roll on. So you press it in, make sure it's cocked tightly, and use your cover it properly. Then your stickers. So this is basically how you fill your perfume, ranging from 3 ml to 100 ml. If you find this video helpful, please drop a comment in the comment section. Subscribe if you've not. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.